Mauna for Human Rights and Immigration. Tiene la palabra.
Thank you, President. Mauna and Geneva International Centre for Justice thank the working group for their report. Although we carefully reviewed the national report made by the Syrian Arab Republic, and we acknowledge the answer provided to the previous recommendations about judicial safeguards and fair trial, we just can't ignore the gap between the government's claim and the reality. The national report asserts that the protection of human rights, including access to justice, is effectively guaranteed based on the Constitution and the criminal law. Unfortunately, the independent judicial system is so compromised by the blatant culture of impunity denounced by thousands of Syrians as being the prevailing norm at all levels of society. Along with an effective judicial system, we urge the state under review to effectively implement the recommendations constantly reiterated since the previous UPR. These address the different legal shortcomings, especially regarding women, children, and vulnerable persons. Although we welcome the first steps taken to empower them, such as the review of the article banning honor crimes or the current review of the Personal Status Act, we call for the government to ensure an independent judicial system and reparation for victims as recommended. In addition, with 88 court cases reported in 2019, prosecuting enforced disappearances perpetrators, we are far from accountability for the 100,000 still missing, which is why we strongly support the call of member states for the creation of an international mechanism to coordinate the claims regarding missing persons and the adoption of the Convention on Enforced Disappearances. Mauna and GICJ would like to remind the Syrian government that the only way to ensure the security of its people, especially the most vulnerable ones, is to guarantee them a fair and independent judicial system with a proper body of law. Until then, no sustainable peace can be reached. Thank you.
Thank you.